But say for instance, the issue that if you have a reach issue back here, it's because the robot can't come behind itself. It has like a hard stop a lot of times right here in the back center of the robot, and then sometimes it can go a little bit over, like it may be like 190 degrees or something. Uh, and that depends on your robot model. I can't remember exactly what it is, but I know there are different variants of robots that give you a little bit more reach on the back side here. So I'm gonna go ahead and travel to the front side. So this is the front side of the robot, and you can kind of tell because it kind of tries to show where your cables come out of the robot, and you can tell this is the back side. See, matter of fact, that's the hard stop thing right there. That's actually even in this 3D model. So I don't know what's going on with the RoboGuide allowing us to move through the backside the way that it is. I feel like there's some type of glitch going on right now. Or if you notice you can't reach coming across this way, it's because your robot's probably turned around. So just click into your robot or whatever object you want to manipulate. And then for this particular object, it's the Z. We want to rotate about Z. So the way these work is Z, you have your X, your Y, and then your Z. And so then you have your X, your Y, then your Z. Then you can kind of think about it like this. You have your X minor, your Y minor, and your Z minor uh, to kind of help kind of keep things in line. So like whenever we rotate about R, it's going to rotate us about the Z. So we're going to go ahead and put in 180 degrees, apply, and notice the robot is flipped around to the other side. So now the front of the robot is facing our conveyors and whatnot. Yeah, this robot has some type of issue going on with it. I'm not familiar of a M710 that has the ability to just travel through the backside of itself. Definitely strange. But being able to manipulate any object's position, it's as simple as double clicking on the object